It's springtime! Hey guys, it's me Breonna, and I'm going to show you how to make this super easy spring-inspired wreath, so continue to watch. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need about 5 things of burlap ribbon, including the pink ribbon. You're also going to need some flowers, a wire wreath, as well as some pipe cleaners. I also have all the products I use listed out on my blog, BreonnaQueen.com, so take a look there. Now you're going to take some pipe cleaners, and you guys, when I was a kid, I used to call these things fuzzy straws. Yeah, fuzzy bendy straws. Anyway, you're going to take these pipe cleaners, and you're going to cut them into 3, and we're going to add these to our wire to connect the burlap and the wire. Okay, so once you have the burlap connected to the wire wreath, you're going to go ahead and pull out that burlap out of the first wire hole. I like to pull out about 4 fingers worth, and as you can see, I'm pulling out of the first one. Then, once I have that pulled out, I'm going to take it and I'm going to pull the burlap out of the second row. So I have 1 row and I have 2 rows. And then I'm going to take that final row and I'm going to pull some burlap out of that so that I should have 3 different ribbons out of all 3 of those rows. So once I have my column done, I'm going to brunch up those 3 layers. Then I'm going to twist the burlap 2 to 3 times, and then I'm going to push it through that first layer again. Be sure to keep having it brunched up so that it can kind of create a fuller look. So now I'm going back in with the second, and then the third, and then I'm going to brunch that up and twist it. So each time you add a new layer, you want to brunch up your already burlap layers. So as you can see, I brunched it up, then I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to add a new row, going into the top, then the middle, and then the final row. And once your wreath is halfway full with the burlap, I'm going to go ahead and take some flowers, and I'm just super gluing it onto the wire. And then for a little color contrast, I went ahead and added a few of the green leaves onto the wire wreath because I feel like it's just springish. Very springy. And then I'm just going to continue adding the burlap all around the wire wreath until I am all the way done, and then I'm going to add my ribbons. Now there are so many ways to make ribbons. This is one of my favorites, and it's probably one of the easiest to me. I'm making a double ribbon, so all I'm going to do is take a piece of the pink burlap, and then I'm going to take the ends and cross those together to where it almost looks like the breast cancer awareness ribbon. Just like that. Yep. Now I'm going to take another piece of ribbon, and I'm going to measure it. You kind of want it just a tad bit bigger than the first, and then I'm going to fold it. Once I have that folded, I'm going to flip it around, and then I'm going to take both. I'm going to pinch the middle, add my pipe cleaner, and then take another piece of ribbon and camouflage that pipe cleaner, and there you go, a double ribbon. And how easy was that? Now I'm just going to take my pink ribbons and I'm going to add that to my burlap wreath. You can add 1. I decided to add 2 just because I like ribbons. I'm going to connect my ribbons to my wreath with some more pipe cleaners. This is just great because that means I can change up the ribbon placement anytime I want, as opposed to if you super glued it, then you have to literally leave it there. It's permanent. So just taking some pipe cleaners, twisting it to the bow and my wreath, and fluffing out the bow, and I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy spring-inspired wreath. If you did, please share a thumbs up as well as share with any of your design and wreath-loving friends. Please be sure to check out my blog, BreonnaQueen.com, for directions as well as QueenChic.com for supplies. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!